guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today was a very relaxing day, so I thought it's been a while. Let's do a Q&A round because like really it has been very long since I've done that. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just begin. The first question is from Ariha. Hello ma'am, I'm a small content creator and I've been putting in a lot of effort into my YouTube channel lately, but I'm finding that my earnings aren't quite reflecting that. Do you have any suggestion or advice on how I can increase my revenue? Yeah, this is a very common problem. So first of all, let me tell you, never consider yourself small because we are all trying our best in our best capability. But अगर बात है कि आप जैसे कह रहे हैं that your earnings are quite low and they're not very good, then maybe I'll give you a few easy and simple tips that you can follow. First of all, rather than depending just on YouTube earnings, it's important that you do brand collaborations because ultimately brands pay a lot of money. And apart from that, be consistent in terms of uploading regular videos because that's going to give you a higher average view of duration, and make high quality content, and just don't give up because being persistent is the key. So give up मत करो और आप बस करते रहो जो आप कर रहे हैं. Apart from that, I would also suggest you that it's better to depend on multiple sources of income rather than just one income. Now let me give you one such example of earning passively. मैंने अभी बहुत लोगों से फ्रेंड ऐप के बारे में सुना था, and after I got to know about it, मैं इतनी क्यूरियस हो गई, मैंने खुद ट्राई किया. सो फ्रेंड ऐप और उसका जो स्टार ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम है वो स्पेशली गर्ल्स के लिए है, जो कि आपको मौका देता है टू बिकम अ रियल इन्फ्लुएंसर. सो यू कैन अर्न अप टू 1.25 lakhs फ्रॉम दैट ऐप. नाउ इसमें होता क्या है कि बहुत लोगों को लाइफ में कुछ इश्यूज़ हैं, कॉन्फिडेंस के इश्यूज़ या फिर लाइफ लेसन्स चाहिए, रिलेशनशिप एडवाइस चाहिए या कोई और सजेशंस चाहिए. सो यू कैन एक्चुअली हेल्प देम. यू कैन सॉल्व सो मेनी इश्यूज़ दैट दीज पीपल आर डीलिंग विद. उनको आप काउंसल कर सकते हो, उनको आप एडवाइस दे सकते हो और इस सब प्रोसेस में आप अर्न भी कर सकते हो. Now, in order to do this, both ऑडियो वीडियो मोड दोनों अवेलेबल हैं, जो भी आप कंफर्टेबल हो जिसमें भी. अगर आप ऑडियो ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम करते हैं तो उसके लिए आपको 4 रुपीज़ पर मिनट मिलता है, और अगर आप वीडियो प्रोग्राम करते हैं तो आपको 17 रुपीज़ पर मिनट मिलता है. तो इमेजिन यू कैन एक्चुअली अर्न अप टू लाइक 45,000 रुपीज़ अ मंथ फ्रॉम दिस प्रोग्राम. अगर आप 3 घंटा भी पर डे दोगे तो आप 45,000 तक अर्न कर सकते हो. एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस एंटायर प्रोसेस कंप्लीट 100% प्राइवेसी है. आपको कोई अपनी पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर नहीं करनी है. यू जस्ट हैव टू गाइड देम, हेल्प देम एंड एडवाइस देम. एंड ऑल्सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू द अर्निंग्स, आप बहुत ईजीली विड्रॉ कर सकते हो थ्रू UPI. यू कैन विड्रॉ ऑल द अर्निंग्स दैट यू हैव अर्न थ्रू फ्रेंड. मेरे लिए भी ये काफ़ी सही है बिकॉज देयर इज़ नो फिक्स टाइम टू डू दिस. आप अपने फ्री टाइम में कन्वीनियंस पे जब भी मन करे कर सकते हो एंड घर बैठ के. Now I'll tell you about the registration process. वो बहुत ही ईजी है. मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक लिंक डालूंगी जो आपको डायरेक्टली स्टार ट्रेनिंग पेज पे लेके जाएगा. तो उस पेज को आप खोलेंगे तो वहाँ पे आपको अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है, जिसमें आपको अपनी बेसिक डिटेल्स जैसे कि नेम, मोबाइल नंबर एंड लैंग्वेज डाल के रजिस्टर करना है. और आप ये अपनी खुद की पसंद के लैंग्वेज में कर सकते हो. इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि इंग्लिश में ही करना ज़रूरी है. और हाँ, रेफर्ड बाय में आप मेरा नाम डाल देना इन ऑर्डर टू मेक दैट एंटायर प्रोसेस फास्टर. एंड 24 आवर्स में आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन जब कंप्लीट हो जाएगा तो आपको बहुत सारे वीडियोस एंड रेफरेंस फ्रेंड भेजेगा जो कि आप गो थ्रू कर सकते हो, और उसके हेल्प से आसानी से यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द एंटायर प्रोसेस एंड देन यू कैन स्टार्ट अर्निंग. तो डोंट वेस्ट टाइम, डोंट वेट. दिस इज द टाइम टू बिकम अ रियल इन्फ्लुएंसर. Now moving on to the next question. Hi, so I wanted to know that are you married and do you have any kids, and since when are you making videos on YouTube? Okay, so yes, I am a married woman. I've been married since almost 5 years. I got married in November 2019 and I do not have kids so far. और मैंने YouTube पे वीडियोस बनाना शुरू करा था 2014 September. So it's been almost 10 years now. Yeah. Next question is, do you do something else for living apart from YouTube? Yes, I am running a jewelry business side by side apart from doing YouTube. And yeah, next question is, Sonali says your skin is flawless. Thank you, Sonali. What is your daily routine to maintain the same? Okay, there's not one thing, there are a lot of things. So if you ask me, daily routine, CTM definitely is there. Now since I'm a beauty influencer, I keep trying different things, different beauty products. Some work for my skin, some do not work. जो भी मुझ पे work करता है, I try to just adapt to that and then I keep following it. But definitely CTM. I also do at-home facials. I do not go to the salons for facials at all. It's been 3 years or 4 years maybe. I haven't gone to a salon for a facial. And I also like to use a lot of home remedies, like simple things like rice water, at-home coffee scrub, aloe vera gel, or maybe multani mitti pack. I use a lot of home remedies, to be precise, kitchen remedies for my facial skincare routine. So yeah, that's what I do. And I also try to sleep for like 7 hours in a day, definitely, because that's very important. And I drink a lot of water, because drinking water can solve a lot of your skin's issues. It's also going to reverse the signs of aging. So drink a lot of water. That's going to make your skin look healthy, hydrated, plump, and much more elastic. Okay, last question for today. What's your feel-good activity and what is your guilty pleasure? Now my feel-good activity, I would say, is either when I'm chilling with my husband or with my friends, but definitely with my husband, because my husband is my best friend. So I love chilling with him because we both are very busy in our daily lifestyle routine. So during weekends or whenever in the evenings we get time, we just talk to each other. We listen to some good music together, and yeah, so we just talk, discuss things, how our day was. So that is my feel-good activity. Apart from that, working out is my feel-good activity, because when I work out, I feel like I just let out all the stress from my inner self. So that's how I just feel really good. After I work out, I feel very positive and energetic. So that's again my feel-good activity. A guilty pleasure is, I think, sometimes I binge eat. Don't judge me, but yeah, that's my guilty pleasure. If I get like really good biryani or like a chicken tikka masala or kadai paneer, Indian food, and also like a really nice chow mein, pizza. So I love food. I think that's my guilty pleasure. So if I get like really tasty food in front of me, I don't think I can control. I don't have a sweet tooth, but I love food. So I work out and I live to eat. So if I get tasty food in front of me, I cannot control. I will forget everything and I'll just binge eat. So thank you so much, guys. Today was a very short but a very quick Q&A round, and I will see you very soon. And yeah, if you still have any questions, you can put them in the comments. I will try to respond back. Thank you. Bye.